Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving on Highway 2000 north-south leg. That's the road that takes you from Kingston to Ocho Rios. Now today I want to talk to you about the expansion of the highway and NROC. Now, some time ago they announced that the Northern Coastal Highway, that's a different road now, that's the road that takes you from Ocho Rios to Montego Bay, was going to be expanded from 2 lanes to 4 lanes. And NROC was in charge of it. Now, a lot of people found it very strange because NROC was only in charge of toll roads. This highway that we're on is a toll road. NROC is in charge of it. Highway 2000 east-west leg, NROC is in charge of it. They are only in charge of toll roads. So when it was announced that the Northern Coastal Highway was going to be expanded to 4 lanes and NROC was in charge of it, not the contractor, but in charge of the project, a lot of people asked, is it going to be a toll road? So the answer was no. They said it was not going to be a toll road. Now, it was recently announced that this highway that we're on is going to be going from Ocho Rios to Trelawney, or more specific, from Miami Bay where it ends and it joins with the Northern Coastal Highway to Trelawney. And if it goes to Trelawney, it will eventually go to Montego Bay. But NROC is going to be in charge of that road. So the question I want to ask you guys is, do you think sections of the Northern Coastal Highway are going to be a toll road? Now, the reason why is because NROC is involved. Now, when the Northern Coastal Highway was announced, that's the one where he expanded the road from Ocho Rios to Montego Bay from 2 lanes to 4 lanes. They said they were going to build 2 bypasses, a bypass for Runaway Bay and a bypass for Discovery Bay. And those bypasses are going to be a 4-lane dual carriageway with the concrete barricade in the middle, just like this road. So, guys, do you think those bypasses for Runaway Bay and Discovery Bay and is going to be a toll road? Is it going to be a part of the expansion of Highway 2000? I think it is going to be. And that's why NROC was in charge of the project. Guys, what do you think? Do you think it was always intended for those bypasses to be toll roads? Because I can't imagine why NROC would be in charge of the project. But there will be a toll highway now, which is this highway. It's going to be expanded to Trelawney. And it's going to be a toll road. Now, it doesn't make sense. Okay, let's say the Northern Coastal Highway, those bypasses for Runaway Bay and Discovery Bay are not toll roads. Then you're going to have another road beside that road that looks just like it. Both roads will look like the road we're driving on. Both roads, the Northern Coastal Highway bypass and Highway 2000. And I just don't see that happening. I don't see it. I just see one road being built because remember now, these toll roads have non-compete clauses in them. I'm not sure what's going to happen with this road because at the end of the day, you're going to have Highway 2000 going through Discovery Bay and Runaway Bay or bypassing it, and you're going to have the Northern Coastal Highway running on the same route. 2 main roads. So I don't think the Discovery Bay bypass is going to be a free road. I think it's going to be a toll road. It's going to be a part of this road. Now, as to whether they had intended it to be like that from day one by putting NROC in charge of it, or it just as times change, because the alignment of these highways change all the time as populations grow, areas grow. So, guys, what do you think? Do you think the Discovery Bay bypass and the Runaway bypass will be a part of Highway 2000? And do you think it was always intended to be like that? That's why they put Enrock in charge of the expansion of the highway. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. But irrespective of how they do it, toll road, Highway 2000 or Northern Coastal Highway, they need both roads. This area of Jamaica is growing rapidly. It's growing so fast. And these roads are needed now. They're needed today. So can you imagine when all those developments are finished that are on the way and these roads are not finished? Traffic is going to get even worse. We're now exiting the Highway 2000 North-South leg, or the toll road, and we're going to go on to the Northern Coastal Highway. Alright, so this is now the Northern Coastal Highway that we're going on. Hoping you guys didn't see that. I'm trying to figure out, is this another lane over here? I guess so. So this is the road that's going to be expanded. No, it's not a lane. This is the road that's going to be expanded to 4 lanes. As you can see, there's plenty of space out here to do it. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.